In this video, we will walk through the step-by-step procedure for replacing the ozone converter on an Airbus A320 aircraft, ensuring safety, compliance, and system efficiency. Before starting, ensure all safety precautions are followed. Aircraft must be powered down, and proper lockout-tagout procedures must be applied. Always wear appropriate personal protective equipment. The ozone converter is typically located in the air conditioning system, within the avionics bay or air distribution system, depending on aircraft configuration. Open the designated access panel using the correct tools as per the aircraft maintenance manual. Ensure all fasteners are safely stored. Carefully disconnect the air ducts and any electrical connections attached to the ozone converter. Handle connectors gently to avoid damage. Remove the mounting bolts or clamps securing the ozone converter. Support the unit while removing to prevent sudden drops or damage. Inspect the removed ozone converter for contamination, blockage or wear. Verify part number and condition before disposal or return. Install the new ozone converter in the correct orientation. Secure it using the specified torque values as per maintenance manual. Reconnect all air ducts and electrical connections. Ensure proper sealing to avoid air leaks. Perform a functional test of the air conditioning system to ensure proper operation and verify there are no leaks or faults. Close and secure all access panels. Ensure all tools and materials are removed from the work area. Record the replacement in the aircraft maintenance log, including part number, serial number, and date of installation. Ozone converter replacement ensures clean cabin air and safe operation. Always follow approved procedures and manufacturer guidelines.